welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating a bookcase that I chalk painted the other day. So I had this bookcase whenever I moved into my first duplex a year ago, and it was a dark chestnut brown. I'm totally kicking myself for not taking a picture of it before, but I decided to tackle this project last week, so I grabbed some chalk paint from the store. I went to Home Depot, got some chalk paint, went ahead and painted that. It took me about a day, and now it is cured and it is dry, so it is time to decorate it. I am so excited because I've got a few things in. Ever since we've been quarantined, I've been addicted to online shopping, so thank goodness for that, or else I'd be going crazy. Everyone needs a little retail therapy sometimes. So I finally bought this mug rack back here, which I will show you how I decorate that, and also the new items that I got online. So let's go ahead and get to decorating. This is a super cute idea that I got off of Pinterest. So it's just one of these cute baskets. I got this one from Target in their decoration aisle. The wreath is from Hearth and Hand by Magnolia, Chip and Joanna, of course. I get most of my stuff from there. I think each item was about $15 or $20. And then this cute little sign came from Walmart. They actually have a super cute spring collection right now. So if you go to Walmart, they have a bunch of cute signs out like this right now. So I'm gonna show you how I put this together. This was probably the easiest project that I have ever done. So you will need some twine. I didn't use certain measurements. I just cut them into longer pieces, so I made sure I had enough room because you can cut off any excess later. It's pretty important to have a wreath with a hook so that you can tie it onto your basket without being able to see the twine. But if it doesn't have a hook, that's okay. I'm sure we'll figure it out. So you'll just flip that basket over with the wreath underneath, find that hook, and then tie it onto the back of the basket. I had to tie mine closer to the top just to make sure it stayed on okay. So just kind of work with it and find a spot that will hold it tight and right in place, and just give it a good tie. Make sure it's in a tight knot so that it won't go anywhere. Now to add the sign, it's pretty important that you have a hook on the back just so you have something to attach it to. You can always buy these at the store and you can add it on later if you need to. So go ahead and place that hook in a way where you can easily grab it through the basket. Then you will flip it over, find that hook that's attached to your sign, grab a piece of twine, and then tie it to your basket. This is where it gets kind of strategic. You want to tie it up high but not too high, because you want to make sure that it stays in place, and then you will want to give it an extra tight knot so that it doesn't move. And then once you get that tied on, you are ready to cut off your excess string, and then you are ready to go. Now for my favorite part, I get to finally hang up this mug rack that I got from Pottery Barn. A lot of Ray Dunn collectors have this exact rack, so I was very excited to get it so that I can finally display the new mugs that I got. I am a beginner, so I don't have a lot of mugs yet, but I'm sure I will have a lot more soon. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hung up. Okay, now it's time to decorate the rest of the bookcase. I'm super excited for this. So a lot of this stuff I already had. Some of it I bought offline while we've been quarantined. Thank goodness for online shopping. So I'm gonna show you a few things I'm gonna put together to put on the bookcase. So this is one thing I had on hand that I just didn't know what to do with yet. It is from Hearth and Hand. I got it from Target from the Magnolia section. And then in it, I'm gonna put some of these, oh, not this one, eucalyptus stems. So I'll probably just put in 2 or 3 of these until it looks full. And I don't put in any filler in the bottoms. I might sometime, but I just kind of like the way you can see through it. So there's 2 stems. And then let's use this one. Here it is with 3 stems. See, it's cute. So I like having the fake plants out here to be bigger. And then this is just the cute small vase. So there's the finished product for that. Okay, so next is this cute little pot that I got from Walmart. I think it was about 50 cents. It's pretty small. So then I also they had some floral on sale for, I think these were either 90 cents or $1 each per stem. So there's some lavender in here, some baby's breath. Actually, this I got from the Target dollar section. So some stuff I had on hand already, some stuff I just picked up while I was grocery shopping because I saw it. They place that stuff strategically so you walk by it, of course, and see it. So I picked it up. So I'm just gonna, bam, put those in. I like to make my pots full. See how that looks? So you can arrange it any way you want. You can cut them and you can, you know, kind of separate everything, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Really, this is just for texture and for to make it look bigger. And then I'm gonna put this in the front so that you can see the baby's breath and the lavender. I'll probably still arrange it a little bit, but then this is what you'll be seeing from the front. And then the back right here, the greenery, is just for a little bit of growth. So there's that. Decorating up your candles is really simple. All you need is a little bit of greenery. I got this lamb's ear wreath from Hobby Lobby. I'm actually gonna probably use it at our wedding. So I'm just gonna use it in the house for now until the wedding comes up, but easy way to dress them up, just like that. So just put the candle on top of your greenery, or you can take different kind of greenery and put it around it. You can put it on top. I can't really show it this one because it's a circle, but that's just a really simple way to decorate your candles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use all of the stuff that I had on hand to decorate. So most of my items come from Hobby Lobby or Target. That's pretty much where everything came from for this table. So if you have any questions about where anything came from, you can message me or leave a comment and I will let you know, because I'm pretty sure all of this stuff is still in stores. And I am big on not buying anything really over $20. So every item is at least $20 or under. I frequent the Target dollar spot a lot. There's a cute little house coming up that I got at the Target dollar spot. The stems you can often find at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, so you just have to keep an eye out for some deals. And I am very budget friendly, so I definitely stick to the cheap stuff and I keep my eyes out for deals and coupons. Finally get to display all of my Rae Dunn. I am a new collector, so I don't have a ton of mugs or other ceramicware yet, but it's a work in progress. I don't want too much clutter, but I'm just going to pick out my favorites and buy those. This rack is amazing. It came from Pottery Barn. It's a little on the pricey side, so I linked some dupes below at the links on Amazon and also Walmart. They are cheaper, but they are basically the same. This is just the one I've been wanting. So go ahead and check those out, and if you like any of those, go ahead and buy one because they're super cute to display any mugs. Now I'm just going to add a couple of touches of my spring and Easter decor. I got these cute little bunny salt and pepper shakers from the Target dollar spot, and then of course I have to add some Rae Dunn to the mix as well. So that is my touch of Easter. I added this lamb's ear garland just that I had on hand for a cuter look. So here is the finished product. Let me know in the comments what you guys loved about it. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more decorating videos, because there are a lot more decorations and projects and other home cleaning stuff coming up. Don't forget to find me at the links below, and then check out the Amazon links for a cute mug rack too. Thanks for watching.